Thank you.
It's amazing.
Thank you.
Are you still feeling stuck?
No, I think I just want to have more opportunities to let it come through.
Who else would like more opportunities to express and experience love? If you would come up for good let's express and experience love, because regardless of who it's for, a potential beloved or a where's that little one? Do you want to sit down? Arwen, you want to come and get some love?
I'm 11. You did great.
You're 11.
Thank you.
Come here. You want some love? I don't care how old you are. We are loving you.
It's just nice.
I think that learning to express and experience love with women in circles like this, I think that's a huge first step.
Yeah. Yeah.
It is. The more we learn to deepen into trusting one another, and this is why so many of my red tents are about deep nurturing,
Yeah.
because we need to have that kind of nurturing in order to feel safe to open up. There's some people that we can't open up to, there's some people that we can, and we need to learn who's who and then learn to trust.
Yeah, and we don't have to be more. We can just be right now having this love.
Yes.
All of us.
Group hug is more. Yes. Oh, squishy. Yeah. How would you feel about expressing and experiencing more love with one another?
Yeah.
It can look so many wonderful ways, frolicking, on beach sunsets, and more, lunches and talking, and friendship.
Yeah.
Friendship.
Thank you. Thank you.
Take a deep breath. And now I keep getting you up for random hugs, but it's very nice. It is.